This is McDonald's new Germany burger, and it contains a bun sprinkled in black, red and yellow, a red steak sauce, bacon, beef, cheddar, tomatoes, onions, salad and a herb compound butter cream sauce. But unlike this beautiful castle behind me, there's not that much German about it. Delicious, no doubt, but I think I can do better. Instead of a normal patty, we're going to make a classic German frikadelle. That means we take some stale bread, some onions, parsley, salt and pepper, ground meat and an egg, which I suspiciously forgot. Meanwhile, I went to look for bread, and Germans take bread seriously. They're soft, as buns should be, and they're also pretzel buns. Oh, yes they are, and they also have some Körner on the top, very German indeed. A slice of Emmentaler cheese, putting it on top, so it turns into a classic German Käsebrötchen. Butter, and up it goes. I think, yes, this is looking great already. Psych! So, number one, let's make a classic burger sauce. We're gonna take about 1 spoon of ketchup, and instead of mayonnaise I want to take also about 1 big spoon high-fat yogurt, so it gives me a little bit more of a sour cream vibe. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of Zitrone, lemon, that's what it's called. Now this is a basic, very basic burger sauce, as it could be, but what I want to do is make it very German. So this right here is sweet mustard. 1, 2,
3 and 4 little strips right here.
So this is going to be spicy, sweet and still very burgery saucy. Pepper in there as well. And right here I have some leftover herbs. So we got dill, we've got some petersilie, parsley, and some fresh chives. Now if you want to know how fresh these chives are, this is how fresh your chives can be. I'm gonna take some pickle water just to add a little bit moisture. There we go. Oh, danke. Now let's take all of those herbs and roll them up real tight, just like Snoop Dogg would. And we're gonna chop them a little. Is our cheese melted? Oh yes, it is. Perfect. And now we have a very herbal mustard burger sauce right here. Now, I want to make this the Germany burger, so we're going to cheat. I kind of want the color black to be in there. So I have black, red and gold. Look. These are culinary crimes we're committing here. This looks like the kind of stuff you put on your bicycle. There needs to be a taste test. I like it. It's fresh, zingy because of the lemon, spicy and sweet because of the spicy sweet mustard. Lovely. Our buns are perfectly toasted. We got the cheese on top. And now let's start by adding the sauce. Looks very dubious. As you can see, I'm making 2 so my cameraman can eat as well. Now for salad I've decided on Blattspinat. And the reason is fairly simple. Maultaschen, the peak of German cuisine. For the toppings I've decided on a very German ingredient. Sweet red cabbage, which is the sweeter cousin of sauerkraut and even more delicious if you ask me. Right, so what is cooking without having fun? And so we need to slice this tomato. How would we do that is the question. This might not work, but we're here for the fun. And slice number 2. They are very thick, but I like them that way. Let's cut that in half. Here we go. Put it onto our frikadelle. I'd like to add some pickles here as well, just for the taste. What's a burger without pickles, right? Now we're gonna seal the pickles by cheese, pickles, and more cheese. But wait, that is not cheese. It might look like cheese if we translate it. Meat cheese or liver cheese. And don't worry, there's no liver in there, no cheese. Oh, there we go. Now put the tomatoes on there and we can turn it over. Now look at this burger. If this doesn't look delicious, there's only one thing left to do here, and that is to taste my Deutschlandburger right here. I'm being attacked. Now it does not look appetizing because of the black sauce. It might as well just be asphalt. But this is delicious. I rank this D out of delicious. And if I have to choose between this and the McDonald's one for almost €8, I'm taking this any day.